guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kurt Dashing Adventures. And for today's video guys, nandito kami sa New Clark City, Pampanga, and we will try out a new hotel. It's called Swiss Hotel. Nandito lang siya sa Clark City. So malapit lang siya sa airport and dito sa vicinity ng New Clark. So papakita namin sa inyo once we check in. Let's go! So guys, dito na kami sa entrance ng hotel. Inside kasi is also the casino, yung Han Casino. Tapos meron pang dalawa pang other hotels here. Tapos from the parking area, akit lang kayo sa ground floor. Ang una nyo makikita is the casino. And since meron kaming kids na minor pa, bawal kaming mag-cross sa casino. So sa lobby area kami dadaan. Tapos, ito yung makikita ninyo. Ayan. So, ito na yung entrance ng Swiss Hotel sa Clark. So, pasok na tayo. Let's go! May mga paintings here. Pero, don't touch the paintings kasi nakasulat dito, if you touch this, it's considered sold. Ayan o. Ayan. So, lahat ng paintings dito, dapat huwag nyo hahawakan kung hindi nyo naman bibilin. Hi guys! So naka-check-in na kami ngayon. So we check-in doon sa 21st floor sa Club Lounge ng Swiss Hotel. So very quick lang yung aming check-in. So we just have to present our ID. Tapos nag-register lang ng name and then pay by a credit card. And nakapag-check-in na kami. And time check guys, it's only 10 o'clock when we arrive here at Swiss Hotel. So nakapag-early check-in kami. That's one of the perks of being an Accor Plus member. Kaya nakapag-check-in agad kami na maaga. Sobrang ganda kasi hindi kami kailangan mag-antay until 2 p.m. So mag-quick room tour na tayo. We're staying here at 19th floor, room 1910 or 1910. So tara, buksan na natin yung room natin. So, upon entering guys, ito yung una nyong makikita. This is the closet. Nandito yung ironing board. And then, sa baba is the iron. And over here is the bathroom. So, meron silang toilet with bidet. Ayan, may bidet na dyan. And then, over here is the sink and the vanity mirror. Provided na lahat ng toiletries dito. Meron na sila ng mga toothbrush, dental kit, may shower cup, vanity kit, and then may mga complimentary bottled water. May lotion na din dito. And bath soap. And over here are the towels. Yan, provided na yung face towel, may bath towel, and yung smaller towels. And this area naman is the shower area. So, sa shower, meron sila nung rain shower, tapos yung normal shower here. And provided na din yung mga toiletries like the shampoo, the conditioner, and the shower gel. Meron din sila ditong bathrobe. And here naman is another closet. So, meron pa isa pa ditong bathrobe. And then, sa baba is the slippers. Ayan. Dito naman sa kabilang door is another closet where you can hang your clothes. Ayan. And then sa kabilang side is the safe. Tapos meron sila nung panglinis ng shoes. Ayan. And here guys is the full body mirror. Sobrang laking mirror niyan. Para ma-check natin yung ating mga OOTDs. Ayan, ganda oh. Magandang pang picture and video. Area naman is the mini bar. Ayan, may mga mugs, may wine glass, and they have the Nespresso machine here. So you can make your own coffee. As meron din sila dito electric kettle. And may another 2 bottled water. Ayan. Sa baba naman, dito is the mini fridge. So, paano ito babuksan? Ayan. So, sa mini fridge, walang laman. Ayan. Lagyan na lang natin siya ng water dito. Ito guys, yung TV nila dito. So, if you can see, meron siyang welcome letter. It says, Dear Miss Hekel Enriquez, and then the welcome letter of the Swiss Hotel, welcoming us here in their hotel. Dito guys, yung king size bed dito sa room namin. Ayan, ang laki ng bed and sobrang lambot nung mattress niya. And ang maganda dito sa Swiss Hotel is that meron silang different pillows na pwede nyong i-customize or i-personalize para sa inyo kung anong type of pillows yung gusto nyong gamitin. So this one, ito guys, yung in-order namin na pillow, yung spelt pillow. Ayan, mas maganda daw kasi to for longer sleep. Tsaka para maiwasan yung pagsakit ng neck. Ano ba neck? Stiff neck. Ayan. Iba yung laman niya sa loob. Nakalimutan ko anong laman, pero I'll explain later kung anong laman. Mang nandito guys is the hypoallergenic pillow. Mayroong smaller and then may bigger one. Ayan, tapos may iba pa silang kind of pillows dito. Pwede ninyong i-order or yun yung ipagamit sa inyo depending sa gusto ninyo or sa preference ninyo. Ayan. Dito naman is this bedside table. So, nandito yung kanilang I think alarm clock, charging station din. Tapos, meron na din dito mga pindutan. Ano tong pindutan na to? I think this is for the window. Ayan o, pang close and open ng window. And then sa light. Ayan. Nandito din yung temperature ng room. So, pwede natin iset dito yung temperature ng room. The other, this is the other bedside table. Nandito naman yung phone. Tapos yung iba pang buttons na pwede mo ding i-control yung lights, windows, and temperature. Here naman is the welcome gift or welcome amenities ng Accor Hotel, ng Swiss Hotel sa amin. They have a platter of fruits, tapos meron nung water, sparkling water, and some sweets here. Ayan o. So, yan. Mas madami yung welcome amenities nila compared to other hotels ng Accor na pinagstayan namin. Is yung view ng aming room. Okay. Open. Ayan. Naiwan ng isa. Ito yung view ng room namin. So, we're at the 19th floor. So, makikita nyo dito yung New Clark City. Ayan. Ganda. Ang ganda ng view. Parang ang peaceful dito sa location na to. Ay, may McDonald's dun, no? Pag gusto namin magtipid, dun na lang kami sa McDo kakain. May McDo dun. Ang nice dito. Tapos, later, we'll check on other amenities like the pool area. Tapos, magtatambay din kami sa lounge later. Okay. Over here naman is meron din siya ditong sofa. Tapos meron siyang mini table. Pwede kayo dito mag-laptop. Yan, dyan mag-aaral si Kurt mamaya. Ay, mag-office pala. So, ayun guys, yung quick room tour natin dito sa aming room. So, ang binook namin na room is the Swiss Advantage na room. And then we were upgraded into executive room. Unfortunately, akala ko may bathtub na yung room na yun. However, yung suite lang pala yung may bathtub. So, wala kaming bathtub for our stay. 2 nights kami mag-stay dito. We're planning to visit some tourist attractions here in Clark. Tapos, we'll just stay here for 2 nights. Ayun lang guys. Later, punta kami sa other amenities nitong hotel. And also tomorrow, we'll update you on the breakfast dito sa hotel. Hello guys! So ngayon, nandito kami sa labas na. Sa hallway pa lang. Going to the executive lounge or the club lounge. Kasi it's 2 p.m. So, 2 p.m. is the afternoon tea time sa lounge. So, that's 2 p.m. until 5 p.m. So, pwede kaming umakyat to have merienda, light snacks doon. So, let's see kung anong meron sa lounge nila dito. So, yung lounge nila is located here at 21st floor. So, ito yung club lounge nila. So, yan. Swiss Hotel Club Lounge. Yan. So, ito yung entrance niya. So, this is the lounge area. Yan. Malaki yung lounge nila. And very aesthetic yung decor. Yan. And ito yung mga food during the afternoon tea. So, they have fruits here, may mga jam, may hot tea, ayan, hot tea. And then they have this mga nuts. And then they have drip coffee here. And tapos, may mga soda. So, you can pick any soda na gusto niyo during afternoon tea. May water. And then there are pastries as well. Ayan, may mga pastries, mga desserts, cookies, macarons. Over here, we have mga assorted fruits and may eclair sila, may brownies, and different cheeses. Yan. May mga breads din sila dito and jam. Ayan. I think I like that one, oh. So guys, ayan, nakakuha na kami ng mga food namin for the afternoon tea. Tapos you can also order yung drinks na gusto mo. So they have like fruit juices, shakes, tapos they also have talagang creation nila na mga iced tea drinks dito. Papakita namin sa inyo, in-order namin later. Pero ito yung kinuha namin so far. Mine is the ube macarons, tapos yung lemon tart, tapos yung peach, I don't know what is that eh. Tapos yung vanilla muffin. Yan. And ito yung ano namin, table. Maganda yung view dito sa sa tawag dito? Sa lounge. Nakita niyo yung golf course. Ayan o. That's a golf course. Ayan. Ang ganda ng view. Parang maganda dito hanggang sunset. No? Parang maganda yung sunset dito. Ayan. Tapos dun ginagawa yung drinks. Ayan. Si Ashing kain na ng kain. So, try natin guys yung ube macarons. Tada! Ang sarap. Ube talaga yung nasa gitna niya.
Ube jam?
Ube jam yung nasa gitna niya.
Sarap mo ko ng 1/3.
Guys, ito yung chalamig dito sa Swiss Hotel. So, try ko. Mukha lang siya iced tea, diba? Pero it's a mixture of calamansi juice, Earl Grey tea, tapos, ano yung sweetener niya? Sweetener niya, basta sugar syrup.
Hindi ito eh.
Basta may sweetener siya. Nakalimutan namin. Ayan.
Ang tamis ito. Hindi pa maubos.
Malalasan mo yung tea talaga, yung black tea. Kasi Earl tea parang black tea yung lumalasa. Tapos medyo may konting asin, yun yung calamansi. Pero vanilla syrup yung meron dito, kaya parang siyang palamig. Kaya medyo lasa siyang palamig kasi may vanilla syrup.
Kasi,
Masarap.
gold yan. Gold.
Kaya naman guys, yung drink ni Kurt, Omeja. Meron siyang Omeja berries sa ibabaw. Try natin kung anong lasa nito.
Ano yan?
Parang may fizz siya, parang may soda. Parang soda,
Sasagot yan. Tikim.
pero masarap, hindi siya matamis.
Lagi mo
And
sa
this one naman is the Omeja. Ay, mali. Ano nga to? Vitamina pala. Vitamina. May dried orange siya. Let's try it.
Kasi
May
ano to,
ginger, nalalasan ko yung ginger nito. Pero masarap
Kasi
din.
ano
Hindi
siya,
siya matamis. O parang may ano din to, may sparkling din to na water.
ito din yan.
Hi guys! So, it's already 7 p.m. ngayon. Babalik kami ulit sa executive lounge or sa club lounge kasi it's evening cocktail time naman to try namin kung ano yung mga food and drinks sa lounge pagka cocktail time. So yan, akit muna tayo sa lounge area. So they have okonomiyaki here. Ayan. We also have Korean fried chicken here. Tapos, roasted carrot soup. Ay, oo, may sisig bites dito. Sisig bites. And then, we have beef grilled Mediterranean vegetable. Ayun. And then, ito pa yung iba. And over here, may mga sweets pa din sila. At saka yung cheese. So this is the cocktail that Daddy ordered. Ito yung cocktail na in-order namin. See? This is the okonomiyaki. Ayan, nag-order ako ng okonomiyaki. I'm gonna try the okonomiyaki. Ito yun. Try natin siya. Let's go. Sarap. And guys, ito ay carrot soup. Try natin. Medyo matabang. Feeling ko matabang to.
Ito.
At this is caramel macchiato, guys. Try natin. Coffee yung in-order ko kasi may work ako tonight. Kasi Friday evening pa lang ngayon. So, eto yung inumin natin. Even if it's cocktail time, coffee tayo. Masarap siya. Hindi masyado matapang. Good for me. Good evening, guys. So, this is our last night here in Swiss Hotel. So, we decided to have our cocktail night kanina sa lounge. And then, now, we are going down naman para mag-swimming. So, yung pool nila is from 7 a.m. until 10 p.m. And it's already 8:30. So we'll just have a quick dip sa pool. Tapos, reviewhan lang namin how it looks like para makita niyo din. Okay, let's go! Ang pool is located at the 5th floor. Nandun din yung fitness center nila. Yung spa and Restaurante di Verona. Ayan. Hi guys! So, nandito na kami ngayon sa pool area. Ito yung pool area dito sa Swissôtel. Ayan. So, ito lang sila sa P floor. So, unlike others na sobrang taas ng mga pool area, sila P floor lang yung pool area nila. And maganda kasi wala masyado nag-swim. And ayan, meron ding bar sa poolside. Tapos infinity yung pool nila. Ayan o. So, ang ganda ng pool. Ayan na sila, nagsiswim yung dalawang bata. Kardashian! Hi! Ayan, ganda ng view, diba? And malawak din naman yung area. Ito yung hotel. Ayan, makita niyo yung hotel. Ayan. Swissôtel. Ayan. Ang ganda nung area kasi ang liwanag. Ang ganda nung light dito sa poolside area. Mas maganda siya pag gabi compared sa morning. Kasi nakikita namin ito pag morning. Hindi siya, although maganda din siya pag morning, pero mas maganda siya pag nighttime kasi maganda yung lights. Yung effect ng lights. Ayan, let's kita din dito yung Marriott. Ayun yung Marriott Hotel. Ayan. So nice. Morning guys! So, dito na kami ngayon sa breakfast location dito sa Swissôtel. So, the name of the restaurant is Market. So guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa breakfast restaurant ng Swissôtel. Located siya sa first floor. Pangalan is Market. Parang Market pero walang A. So I'm not sure kung ano yung pronunciation niya. So let's check out ano yung mga food dito sa breakfast. So ito yung restaurant nila. Malaki yung restaurant nila. Madaming mga sitting capacity. And also madami din mga food offers. So eto may mga juices here. Tapos meron din mga fruits over here, mga fresh fruits. Ayan o. This is the egg station. Ayan o, merong omelette. You can have other mga ibang eggs.
51 po.
Scrambled egg.
Golden po, sir, or Mediterranean?
Meron din dito
Mediterranean.
Apo.
nilagang egg. Boiled egg. Tapos ito yung steamed rice nila. And garlic rice. Meron din sila ditong corned beef. And the other one is longganisa. Longganisa. May daing na bangus, pork torta, fried dilis. Mga Filipino food dito sa area na to. Over here is Kapampangan delicacies daw. So, ito is lelut mais at saka ensaladang ebon buro. We have vegan selections here. Ayan o, may mga vegetable fritters, and vegetable samosa. This is potato curry. Meron din silang oatmeal, may mga milk here. And this one is champurrado. I wanna try this one. Champurrado, kaso parang dry na siya. May champurrado dali. And lugaw, congee. Here is the lugaw. And dito din yung crispy bacon and other sausage. Here they have tteokbokki. Oh. Let's open. Ayan, tteokbokki. Tapos mayroon din silang chicken feet. And this one is pancit canton. So ito mga iba't ibang flavors of Asia's daw to. Ito may sausage. Oh. Sausage, and then the noodle station is here, so you can request for your own noodles kung ano yung gusto nyo. Meron silang salad bar dito. Tapos may mga cheese corner din. Mga maki din dito. They have the California maki. Tapos cucumber and Philadelphia roll. Meron silang gelato corner over here. So, pwede kayong mag-ice cream after eat. Cereal corner. Tapos, yung mga milk nila is over there. Meron yung pastry corner. Ayan, no, meron yung favorite ko na ensaymada. May croissant. And they have a lot of pastries here. I think this is pandesal. Ayan, may malunggay pandesal. This one, yung kinain ko sa lounge kagabi. And they even have puddings here and cinnamon roll. Meron din silang coffee bar dito. So you can order your coffee. Pwedeng ice at saka hot. So guys, nakakuha na kami ng breakfast namin. Nakakuha kami nito. We ordered this bihon soup. Tapos, ito yung iba. Let's try muna tong bihon soup nila. Masarap.
May beef yan.
Masarap, malasa yung sabaw. Tsaka tama lang yung pagkaluto ng bihon nila. Hindi masyadong malabsa, ganun. Tama-tama lang. Sarap. Tapos guys, ito naman yung iba ko pang kinuha. Ay, iba to. Ito yung kinuha ko, yung sa mga maki. So, try natin tong cucumber maki. And dineliver na guys yung aking caramel macchiato. Ito na siya. Tada! Parang kamukha din siya dun sa lounge. Ganito din yung in-order ko kagabi. Magkamukha lang sila. Tikman na natin. May nai-invite sa aking caramel macchiato.
Ano, ba't mo yung kapag na?
Tada!
Yung nga, masarap yung mga pag-lain ko. Oo nga, yan ang masarap.
Ang kait. Bakit ganun? And dito naman kami sa Executive Lounge, sa Club Lounge for breakfast dito. So, meron din sila mga drinks here. May cucumber and pineapple, chia seed, may fresh milk, and then these are the cereal station. Mga breakfast dito, yung meron din sila ditong rice, steam and garlic rice. And then they have salmon. Ano, may salmon teriyaki. Oh, they have duck galbi here. Ayan, duck galbi and beef strips mushroom. Tapos, hong hapta. I don't know what's hong hapta. Mussels. Tahong. And And this one is samgyeopsal and scrambled egg. Samgyeopsal and scrambled egg. Over here is the bacon and sausages. Ito mga cold salad. And meron din sila ng mga maki and vegetable. Ay, mali, hindi vegetable. Fruits pala. These days, ito yung available. So guys, meron dito din sa Club Lounge na mga a la carte orders. So, yung hindi naka-display dito. So, they have different eggs here. Meron silang egg benedict, egg royal, egg florentine, that's the usual egg omelette, scrambled, sunny side up, tsaka boiled egg. The other eggs here, like the egg benedict, egg royal, tsaka yung florentine, is not available sa baba. So, dito lang siya sa Club Lounge. And then they also have here pancakes, French toast, tsaka waffle. So, maganda kasi isi-serve lang sa'yo to. So, mainit pa talaga siya na gagawin. They also have mga soup. Meron silang arroz caldo and wonton soup. Yan. So, order tayo. Tapos pakita namin sa inyo. Let's try naman natin yung kanilang eggs benedict. Ito. Try natin. Medyo lumamig na kasi kumakain ako ng waffle kanina. May bread. Ang tigas na ng bread. Ito na guys, try na natin siya. Tada! Sarap. And this is my drinks. Caramel macchiato ulit. Yung kinuha ko na ice. Let's taste it. Masarap to. Tama lang yung tamis and lasa ng coffee niya. Ito naman yung other side ng lounge. Meron pa dito. If you want more privacy, pwede kayo dito. Mas maganda din yung view. Tapos may mga meeting rooms kasi sila dito. Ayan o. May mga meeting room. You can use that for 2 hours. Free yan. Pagka member ka. Platinum member. Meron pa din dito. And punta tayo sa CR. So, ito yung CR nila. For men and women, for men and women. Ito tayo. Yan.
Please open name.
Ayan, ang CR dito is parang Japanese style. Ayan. Tada! Hi guys! So, this is our last day here in Swiss Hotel in Clark, Pampanga. So, I just wanted to give a quick review on our stay. So, we stayed for 3 days and 2 nights here. So, as an Accor member, we got an early check-in. So, actually, mga 9 or 9:30 in the morning kami dumating dito. And we were granted an early check-in. Naka-ready na agad yung room namin. And we were able to rest early. And then, in terms of the amenities of this hotel, maganda yung mga amenities nila. They have a big pool sa 5th floor. They also have a fitness center, although hindi namin tinry or hindi namin pinuntahan. But that's 24 hours na fitness center. You can go to the gym anytime you want. And then they have the breakfast restaurant at the first floor. Medyo, first day namin, medyo madaming tao. But the second day, which is Sunday, mas konti yung tao. And ayun, mas okay yung experience namin during the second day. The restaurant has a lot of variation or variety of food. So, maganda din yung experience namin doon. And I think very few breakfast restaurants are nag-offer ng gelato during the breakfast hours. So, this is one of those hotels. Yung room namin, okay lang siya. Not the usual suite room na pinupuntahan namin with other Accor hotels. But this is big enough for 4 people. If you want an extra bed, it will cost you about 2,000 plus pesos per night. So we didn't have a second or an extra bed set up na kasi kasya naman kami sa king size bed, and there's a sofa na malaki naman that you can also use as a bed. We just requested an additional blanket for that. And yung pinaka-best na amenity dito is the club lounge or the executive lounge, which is the 21st floor. So they offer unlimited snacks all throughout the day. Tapos meron kayong breakfast. Pwede kayo mag-breakfast from 7 a.m. until 11 a.m. And then they have the afternoon tea, which is 2 p.m. until 5 p.m. And then yung cocktail hours is 6 p.m. until 8 p.m. naman. So, breakfast, meron din silang mini buffet set up. And then, they also have a la carte orders. So, pwede kayo mag-order ng eggs benedict, eggs royale, those kind of other breakfast that is not available dun sa first floor na restaurant. And then, they have variety of coffee as well and other drinks. Pagka naman afternoon tea, madami ding mga pastries na in-offer and then different drinks as well. And yung cocktail hours, we really enjoyed our cocktail hours here. I think one of the best, or maybe this is the best executive lounge that we had. We had experienced a lot of lounge na before sa mga other hotels, especially with Accor hotels. But with Swissôtel, this is the one na meron kaming best experience during the cocktail hours. Kasi madami silang iba't ibang variety of drinks, alcoholic drinks. And then, yung service quality kasi dito sa hotel, talagang iba. You will feel, you will feel different kasi sobrang friendly, customer-oriented ng mga tao sa executive lounge. They always ask for what you need, what you want. Tapos, they will explain to you kung ano yung mga drinks nila. They will ask you to try it. Yung mga ganon. Sa other lounge kasi, parang self-service lang. So, you can just get whatever you want. But here, talagang top-notch yung quality ng service nila. Kaya, I can say na this is the best experience that we had so far sa mga Accor Hotel na lounge. So, yon, I give 10 out of 10 para sa executive lounge nila dito. So guys, I also want to give a shoutout. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, mababait and sobrang quality service talaga dun sa executive lounge. So, I also want to give a shoutout dun sa mga nag-asikaso na sa amin during our stay. Number 1 is the mixologist daw. Sabi ng anak ko, it's called mixologist daw. Yung nag-mix ng mga drinks. That's Sir Joe Anthony Campos. He's the person na nagpa-try out sa amin ng different drinks, nag-explain what type of drinks yung ibibigay niya sa amin. And also, meron akong video ni Joe Anthony Campos on how he make the Club 21. That's the signature cocktail ng Swissôtel Executive Lounge. Kaya daw yung Club 21 is because nasa 21st floor sila and it's a club lounge. Kaya yun yung name. And aside from him, we also have Harold. Meron pang ibang mga people or staff na nag-asikaso sa amin, but then again, I forgot the name. Maybe baka later makuha ko yung names nila, I'll also flash the names here para when you visit Swissôtel, you can also check kung nandito sila. Mababait silang lahat dito. And of course, yung club lounge manager, assistant club lounge manager is Eileen Manalad. Binigyan niya ako ng kanyang calling card kasi yes, last night nakita namin siya. Kaya lang hindi daw siya available this morning para sa aming pag-check out. So, that's it guys sa Executive Lounge. Try it out kasi sobrang ganda na experience dito. When it comes to parking naman guys, yung parking dito is libre siya. And you just have to find your ano ba tawag dito, slot. Walang naka-specific slot for Swissôtel guest kasi meron pa ditong ibang hotels sa building na to like the Marriott, yung Windows, yung Han, and then of course yung mga casino guests din kasi nasa isang building sila ng Han Casino. So minsan medyo puno, katulad kahapon when we went out, pagbalik namin medyo puno na, so medyo malayo na yung parking namin dun sa elevator, but still libre naman yung parking, so tiyagain na lang maglakad. So ayun muna guys for our quick review and the whole experience during our stay here at Swiss Hotel, New Clark City, Pampanga. And if you also want to stay here, don't forget you can get a big discount if you book this through Agoda. Use my discount code KURTAGODA, and pag may mga travel activities naman kayo, you can also use our discount code na KAAGODA or KAAGODA para makakuha kayo ng 5% off. And you can still use our discount code sa Klook para makakuha kayo ng up to 5% discount, which is Klook Hekel. So don't forget to use those discount codes guys para makatipid kayo sa inyong next travel. And thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe to our channel, and follow us in social media accounts, Kurt Ashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till our next adventure, goodbye!